Looking for the best printer accessories of 2026? In this roundup, we'll cover 5 useful printer accessories that can improve print quality, simplify maintenance, and make everyday printing more convenient. From thermal shipping labels and glossy photo paper to printhead cleaning kits and printer cleaning sheets, these picks are worth considering for home, office, and small business users.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. MUNBYN Thermal Shipping Labels. The MUNBYN Thermal Shipping Labels 4x6 inch are a practical choice for shipping, e-commerce, and small business printing, offering 500 labels per roll with a strong self-adhesive backing. Made from BPA/BPS-free thermal paper, these labels are designed to produce clear text, images, and easy-to-read barcodes without requiring ink or toner. They are compatible with many direct thermal printers, including MUNBYN, Rollo, Zebra, Fomemo, Nelco, and other supported models, while also working with platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, USPS, UPS, and FedEx. The labels are also designed to resist smudges, scratches, water, oil, and dirt, making them suitable for everyday shipping needs. Number 2. MUNBYN Thermal Direct Shipping Label. The MUNBYN Thermal Direct Shipping Labels are 4x6 inch self-adhesive labels designed for direct thermal printers, with 500 labels per pack. They are made from BPA/BPS-free paper and are suitable for shipping labels, barcodes, QR codes, and other e-commerce packaging needs. The labels are compatible with many direct thermal printers from MUNBYN, Rollo, Zebra, Fomemo, Nelco, and other brands, but they are not intended for laser or inkjet printers. Their strong adhesive helps them stay securely attached to boxes, mailers, and envelopes, while the label material is designed to resist water, grease, scratches, and smudging. They also support shipping and e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, FedEx, UPS, and USPS. Number 3. Spaceink Printhead Cleaning Kit 200 ml. The Spaceink Printhead Cleaning Kit 200 ml is an inkjet printer maintenance accessory designed to help address clogged printheads, blocked nozzles, streaks, blurred text, and incomplete printing. It is marketed as compatible with major inkjet brands including Epson, HP, Canon, and Brother, along with various EcoTank and Workforce models. The kit contains 2 100 ml bottles of cleaning solution, plus a 20 ml syringe, silicone tube, rubber stoppers, cotton swabs, gloves, wipes, and instructions. Its water-based cleaning solution uses an enzyme formula intended to help dissolve dried ink and improve ink flow. Number 4. Uinkit 200 Sheets Double-Sided Photo Paper. The Uinkit 200 Sheets Double-Sided Glossy Photo Paper is a bulk pack of 8.5 x 11 inch, 200 GSM, 54 pounds, 9.5 ml glossy paper designed specifically for inkjet printers using dye ink. Its glossy coating on both sides makes it suitable for printing photos, greeting cards, brochures, flyers, calendars, menus, posters, wedding cards, and other creative projects. The paper is designed for fast drying and reduced smearing or smudging, making it useful for both home and everyday business printing. Current listings confirm the 200 sheet quantity, letter size format, glossy finish, 200 GSM weight, and inkjet compatibility. Number 5. Printer Cleaning Sheets 10 Pack. The Urnoi Printer Cleaning Sheets 10 Pack are 8.5 x 11 inch maintenance sheets designed to help remove dust, paper particles, ink residue, toner, and other debris from a printer's internal paper path. They are marketed for use with inkjet and laser printers, copiers, fax machines, and scanners, and the 10-sheet pack is advertised as reusable for routine maintenance. Similar cleaning sheets are designed to be fed through the printer like regular paper to help clean rollers and the paper path. One important point is that cleaning sheet compatibility varies by product. Some sheets are specifically intended for laser printers and should not be used with inkjet models, so checking the instructions for your particular printer and cleaning sheet product is recommended.